You're watching MissMalini.com. My name is DeepaBerar, and in this video we're going to go over advanced contouring techniques as well as highlighting techniques that are really going to give you that beautiful glow under your eyes. I'm starting off with the MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette in medium, and I'm going to take the bottom left, which is mid yellow, and the top right, which is NW25, and I'm going to mix those two together. So we're going to put that down in like a triangular shape under the eyes, and I've included some graphics so you guys can kind of see more of where things are supposed to go. And I'm just using a concealer brush to apply it. So we're going to go ahead and blend that out. Now I have these two smaller foundation brushes that I keep aside. One is for highlight colors and one is for contour. And this just really blends it out so you don't see a lot of streaking. So now I'm taking my concealer brush and I'm taking that same color that I had mixed for under the eyes, and I'm putting it like a diagonal under the cheekbone. So this is really going to make the contour pop. So now we're going to go ahead and highlight the bridge of the nose with that same color. Highlight the Cupid's bow as well. And we're going to put some highlight on our chin as well. Now we're just blending everything out with that same foundation brush. For my contour color, I'm using the NARS Multiple Stick in Vientiane. We're going to apply that just in the hollows of the cheekbone. You can use your tragus, which is that little nubby thing by your ear, as a guide as to where to start, and then you want to bring it in towards your nose. And you're not going to go any further in than under your pupil. And go along your jawline as well. And I'm going to shade along my hairline and halfway down my forehead as well. Now, if you have a smaller forehead, I would probably avoid doing this because it's going to make your forehead look even smaller. Just gauge it based on the size of your forehead. And now when it comes to contouring the nose, this is really not a one-size-fits-all type of thing. You really have to customize it to the shape of your nose. For me personally, I'm going to slim down the tip of my nose because it's a little bit more rounded. And I'm not going to bring it up all the way because my bridge is actually quite narrow. So this is actually going to balance out the shape of my nose. Okay, so now we're done with the cream products for contouring and highlighting. When you put your foundation over top, it's going to be a much more natural look. If you want a stronger contour and highlight, we're going to carry on with powder products. Now to blend everything out, you're going to want to throw your foundation over top of this. So let's go do that. So I figured I'd leave this part of the video in so you guys could kind of see how when you put your foundation over top, everything is a little bit more blended. You don't see any harsh lines or anything like that, but you will still see the result that you're looking for. Okay, so now you can see that the look is a lot more natural, and you can still see the contour and the highlight though. Okay, now for the powder products. This has got to be one of my absolute favorite palettes ever in life. The Anastasia Contour Kit. It's so pretty. I'm starting with the color Fawn, and I'm going to go right under the cheekbone with this, and I'm kind of drawing a straight line. Now to blend that out, I'm using a bigger brush, and I'm using the color Havana. You're going to notice that I'm basically going over the same parts of the face that I had with the cream products, with the powder products. To shape the nose, I'm going to use the color Fawn with a smaller eyeshadow brush. Just blend the lines out with a small blending brush. Now for my absolute favorite color in this whole palette. This is the Banana Highlight. It's so pretty. It actually makes you look so brightened under the eyes and highlighted. It's a really, really nice product. If you want to emphasize your eyebrow arch, you can just throw some highlight over top of that as well. Here's our finished look. Thanks for watching.